Hey everyone, my name is Eddie Ramos, professional actor, and welcome to the Modern Actor Coaching. As a seasoned actor myself, I know firsthand the challenges that come with the acting industry. What's my background, you might ask? I started acting at 9 years old in New York City, and my first big project was an off-Broadway play. Over the years, I have been privileged to do theater, TV, film, commercials, video games, voiceovers, you name it, I've done it. I'm incredibly lucky that I've been able to book more consistently and turn acting into my full-time career. So let's take it back to coaching. I decided I wanted to share my knowledge, my experience with both seasoned actors and actors who are just getting started on their acting journey. And that's why I created the Modern Actor Coaching, to provide actors like you with the tools, the guidance, and the materials to excel in today's acting industry. Are you looking to polish your skills, prepare for an audition, or break into the industry? At the Modern Actor Coaching, we can cover all of that. So what do we offer? We offer one-on-one online coaching sessions, and we personalize each session based on your unique needs. Along with that, we will also cover acting techniques and fundamentals, script analysis, audition techniques, start some vocal warm-ups, as well as review your materials, do a full career audit, and much more. As a seasoned actor, I've worked with acting coaches my entire career because the industry is always changing. And if you're not growing and challenging yourself, then you run the risk of falling behind. So the benefit of coaching at the Modern Actor is that you're gonna be working with me, a working actor who's consistently in the room, booking, keeping up with industry trends, networking. And with me, you're going to be getting current, relevant information about today's acting industry to help you succeed. So welcome to the Modern Actor. If you're here, you're already part of the community. So sign up and let's get to work.